Namaste, hello and welcome to Yogatainment. In today's video, we are going to look at three magical mudras. I call them magical because their effect on our body is such. So these mudras are very effective, especially for the thyroid gland. As we know, thyroid imbalance has increased these days. So these mudras are really effective in balancing the thyroid gland, the working of the thyroid gland, and hence effective for the entire body. Besides the thyroid gland, there is also other benefits of this mudra. So we are going to look at three mudras. The first one we are going to start with is called as Surya Mudra. Before we start the mudra, just a point to remember, this mudra is not a substitute for medication. So if you are on medication for thyroid or for any other ailment, please continue with your medications. Any starting or discontinuing of medications has to be done with the consultation of a doctor. So these mudras can act only as an assistive therapy. आपके दवाइयों के साथ साथ इनका काम होगा, बट आपको दवाइयाँ स्टॉप नहीं करनी है. But you can definitely practice these mudras to improve the effect on your body. So these mudras are going to work, one, as I said, on your thyroid gland. Secondly, it's going to help you with weight loss. Third, it's good for reducing cholesterol and so on. We look at some more benefits of it, but the first one we look at is called as Surya Mudra. As the word goes, Surya meaning sun. Alright, so this mudra increases the sun, represents heat. This mudra increases the heat in our body. Now, how do mudras work? In our previous video with regards to mudra, I had explained how mudras work, how the 5 elements are balanced. So if you've missed it, check out that video. So the Surya Mudra increases the fire element in our body. Our body is made up of 5 elements. The thumb represents the fire element, and Surya Mudra increases the fire element in our body, which increases heat. Okay, so first we look at how to do the mudra, and while we are doing that, we'll look at some more benefits. So first we look at how to do. You stretch out your hand and touch your ring finger, anamika, जो उंगली है, उसको base of the thumb. Touch your ring finger to the base or the root or the ball of your thumb. Okay, this way. And then press your thumb, gently press your thumb on the finger. And the rest of your fingers are open. We look at it once again. आपका हाथ खुला है. You close the ring finger to touch the tip of the ring finger to the base of your thumb. And you press the thumb gently on the finger. The rest of your fingers are as much straight as possible. We do it with both hands. Okay, so this is called as Surya Mudra. It decreases the earth element and increases the fire element in our body. Now, how is this useful? With the increase in fire element, as we saw, it increases heat in our body. Increases heat, and that's why improves digestion in our body. It improves metabolism and digestion of the body. So any digestion related problems, if you have indigestion, this is a great mudra to practice. And an amazing mudra for weight loss. So if you're looking at weight loss, Surya Mudra is for you, definitely. Besides that, it sharpens the center in our thyroid gland. So thyroid gland, as we know, is situated in the throat region. There's a lot of space element in the throat region, and an imbalance in that causes thyroid imbalance. So doing Surya Mudra balances that and helps effective functioning of the thyroid gland and reduces its imbalance. So that's so one we saw is a great one for weight loss, to improve metabolism and hence digestion. So it reduces indigestion and is also good to reduce anxiety. So अगर आपको बहुत बेचैनी महसूस हो रही है, if you're feeling very anxious, then Surya Mudra again is for you. Any mudra is best effective when done for 45 minutes each day. Okay, so now it might be difficult to take out 45 minutes at stretch. You can practice 15 minutes, say 15 minutes in the morning, 15 minutes evening, and 15 minutes at night. You can do it while watching TV, while walking, while lying down, while meditating, anything. You can do it anytime, anywhere. There is no restriction to it. So 15 minutes in 3 installments, that will make it 45 minutes. Practice the mudra for at least 21 days to find effects. And who should not do the mudra? One, if you are underweight, don't practice this mudra, or else practice this for lesser time, because as we saw, it's for weight loss. So if you're already underweight, practice it for lesser time and not for 45 minutes. Secondly, summer season, you practice it for a lesser time, because like we looked, the mudra increases heat in the body, and in summer season it is already quite hot. So we practice it for a lesser time. If you're having fever or if you're feeling weak, don't practice this mudra till you feel better. Also, you can sip a little water before starting the Surya Mudra, because like I said, Surya Mudra increases the heat in the body. So at the end of it, one might end up feeling a little dehydrated, and we do not want that. So before starting the Surya Mudra, you sip a little water and then start the practice. That's about Surya Mudra. The next mudra we are going to look at, which again is a great mudra to balance the thyroid gland, is Shankha Mudra. Shankha meaning the conch shell. Okay, this mudra looks like a shell, a conch shell. That's why it's called as Shankha Mudra. First, we'll see how to practice this mudra. What you do is you stretch out your hand, place the thumb of the other hand in the center of the palm. You wrap your fingers around the thumb, and your thumb is open, and the rest of the fingers of the other hand, you just touch it to the thumb which is open. Okay, so this looks like a shell, a conch shell. We look at it once again. हाथ को खुला रखना है, अंगूठे को हथेली पे रखना है, बाकी की उंगलियों से अंगूठा बंद कर देंगे, दूसरा जो अंगूठा खुला है उसको, जो फिंगर्स ओपन है, उससे फिंगर टिप्स से टच कर लेंगे. ऑलराइट, सो दिस मेक्स शंख मुद्रा. Alright, Shankha Mudra, again a great mudra, very effective for thyroid gland, balances the thyroid functioning. It's a very good mudra to improve the voice quality. So if you're a singer, this mudra is definitely for you. It reduces speech disorders. Very good for any throat related issues like tonsillitis or any other throat related issue. Shankha Mudra is a great mudra to practice. Also, if you have any kind of abdominal disorders, again this one also improves digestion. Like Surya Mudra, if you have indigestion, Shankha Mudra is also a great one to practice. And we look at the third mudra, and after that we will see who should not practice this mudra. Alright, first we'll look at the third mudra. Third mudra is called as Sahaja Shankha Mudra. Similar to this Shankha Mudra is Sahaja Shankha Mudra. How do we do it? We interlock the fingers, okay, this way, and just keep the thumbs parallel and slightly press the thumbs, gentle pressure. So you interlock the fingers and your thumbs are parallel, gentle pressure, and you stay there. That is Sahaja Shankha Mudra. Now how does Sahaja Shankha Mudra help? Like Shankha Mudra, it has same benefits. Good for your throat, good for your voice, amazing for thyroid gland, and good for the abdominal, your metabolism and abdominal system, so good for digestion. Along with that, Shankha Mudra is great to reduce or to cure piles or any anus related problems. So there is an added benefit of Sahaja Shankha Mudra. Now, who should not practice Shankha Mudra or Sahaja Shankha Mudra? One is any mudra, whether it is Surya Mudra or any other mudra, we generally avoid immediately after meals. So खाने के बाद तुरंत 1-2 घंटे तक मुद्रा को नहीं करना है, उसके बाद आप कर सकते हो. So we avoid after meals. Secondly, if you are finding any kind of say, for example, you feel you're gaining more and more weight, if you're becoming fatter, or if you feel you're becoming weaker after the practice, please stop the practice. See a doctor if need be. But if you're seeing any kind of unrelated or unwanted changes in your body, please stop practicing the mudra. But otherwise, anyone and everyone can practice it. Once again, practice it for 45 minutes each day for 21 days. So we looked at first Surya Mudra, also called as Agni Mudra because it increases the fire element, also called as Agni Vardhak Mudra, okay, because it increases the fire element. So you place the tip of the ring finger at the base of the thumb, the rest of the fingers are open. In the beginning, the fingers or the hand might pain a little bit, but with practice the hand will get used to it, okay. So don't stop practicing just because it starts aching. So that's Surya Mudra. Second we looked at is Shankha Mudra, and the third one we looked at is Sahaja Shankha Mudra. All the three are very effective for the throat region. Our thyroid and parathyroid glands are situated in the throat region. It balances and sharpens the center of the thyroid gland. So these are very effective. Do practice it. Also, like I said, if you're working on weight loss, this can give a added benefit to it along with the other stuff that you're doing. Please continue with your medications. Do practice it and let us know how you find them. Also, if there is any other topic that you would like to know on, do write to us in the comment section and we'll try to guide you about the same. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you so much.